The city of Liverpool, located in the United Kingdom, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination offering many attractions for travelers. Known for its rich history and iconic landmarks, Liverpool has become a popular choice for those looking for an unforgettable experience. Liverpool, one of the largest cities in the UK, has a fascinating history dating back centuries. Liverpool boasts stunning architectural landmarks such as the Royal Liver Building and Albert Dock. The city's waterfront is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers spectacular views as well as many stores, restaurants and museums to visit. Liverpool is also known as the birthplace of the Beatles, one of the most influential bands in music history. Fans can visit various Beatles-related attractions, such as the Cavern Club, where they began their career, or visit the Beatles History Museum. For those interested in history and culture, Liverpool offers numerous museums, including the Museum of Liverpool, showcasing the city's fascinating past. Alternatively, art lovers can visit the Tate Liverpool to admire contemporary works of art, or visit the Walker Art Gallery, which has an extensive collection of European paintings. Whether you're planning a weekend trip or an extended stay, Liverpool promises an unforgettable experience filled with history, culture, music, and warm hospitality.